Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Allward. Every video I'll be teaching us how we can add glam to our house. I'll be using this mirror mosaic. So I'll be adding the mirror mosaic to the edges of this light. This is how to add glam to your home without breaking a bank. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Allward, and please share this video. I used this mosaic mirror and added it to the edges of my stairs light. And here we go, I have this glam. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.